Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You may have noticed in one of the previous videos I had an Escalade parked in the garage when I was showing off the Cameo. One of the to-dos on my list is to redo some of the vinyl wrap that for a better part of a year now has held up pretty good for our northern climate up here in Canada. But especially on the back hatch, there's some work to do. So I'll walk you through that. But first we got to give this thing a bath. So let's take care of that. Currently this is one piece, there's a seam, there's one piece. I'm gonna make that all consistent. In here is an inlay behind the handle. I'm gonna do that again in one piece without the seam. And then we'll do one big piece right across. So it's basically gonna be 3 pieces and redo the handle. And then after that, it should look pretty good. At a later date, we'll redo the bumper, but other than that, most of it's fine. Might have to redo this because it's lifting a little there. But again, this is about a year old, and the wife's put a lot of kilometers on it, and it's held up very well. And it was my first attempt at a full vehicle wrap, so I'm pretty happy with the outcome, and I'll only get better with practice. Okay, we're gonna do our inlay first. So I'm just gonna clean this again. Always get a brand new clean rag. And then we'll use our tape, our cutting line, to determine where that's going to end for the inlay. Let's just clean it up first. 70% isopropyl alcohol. My tape's gonna be along here. Not too worried about where the license plate's going to be. We might end up just cutting that out. Okay, normally I'd use this 3M finish line tape, fantastic. I ordered what was said to be the exact same thing on Amazon, but it's not. I'm gonna try this stuff. Seeing some of the ratings out there, it's actually pretty good, but I ordered this and they sent me this. But if you look for this label, it's supposed to be pretty good. I'm gonna see how it works out. concludes it. I think we got it. The grand finale, the unveil. Looks much, much better. No seams anymore through the middle. 3 pieces. So we got the insert, handle completely rewrapped, no blemishes. This top piece here and the U-shape. So, all right, if you liked what you've seen, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and more videos to come.